Hello, fellow taxpayers. Let's talk about turnover tax, popularly known as TOT. Turnover tax is charged on businesses whose gross turnover is more than 1 million but does not exceed 25 million or is not expected to exceed 25 million in any year of income. This is chargeable under the Section 12C of the Income Tax Act. Yes, the rates for turnover tax is 1.5% on gross sales, and this was effected in 2023 as per the Finance Act of 2023. So who are eligible for the turnover tax? The people who are eligible for turnover tax are individuals or corporates whose gross turnover is expected to be more than 1 million but does not exceed 25 million in a year. However, a person can actually decide to write to the commissioner not to be taxed under TOT. You have to write to the commissioner domestic taxes requesting to not file TOT, but maybe rather through the discussion you can decide to be filing your yearly. You declare your income at the end of the year, you claim some expenses, but that will need a lot of record keeping. And turnover tax, most people confuse it with VAT. VAT are for the people who deal with vertible supplies, vertible goods and services, and you should be making more than 5 million in a year. Yes. We have some exemptions of the turnover tax. For example, those who earn income through rentals, they are not supposed to be filing TOT. They have their own obligation. And also the management or professional fees, those who earn some consultancy fees are not subjected for turnover tax. And any income that is subjected to withholding tax, it's always final, so you are not supposed to be filing turnover tax. And lastly, the non-resident. Non-resident are not supposed to be filing turnover tax. Some of the benefits of turnover tax, why some people prefer turnover tax over the other obligations, are things like record keeping. You don't need to be keeping your expenses, because at the end of the month, only what is required is your gross sales that is subjected to 1.5%. It's simple in filing and paying, meaning there is reduced time. Actually, filing turnover tax can take you less than 5 minutes and you are done. Yes, it's a final tax, and one is not required to file end of year income tax return. Dates of filing turnover tax, just like any other obligation or most obligation, is on or before 20th of the subsequent month. For example, if you have to file for the month of May, you will need to file your turnover tax on or before 20th of June, and so on and so on. For January, you have to file it before or on 20th of February. If you don't do that, there are penalties and fines. For example, for late filing of turnover tax, you will be charged 1,000. And late payment, the payment here, some people always confuse it. I think when you generate the payment slip, you are given around 30 days. But to be safe for my followers, I'll prefer you pay within 20 days. To be safe, let's not wait up to the 30th day. Just generate the payment slip. If you don't have money at that point, pay within 20 days. Or else, the tax due will be charged 5%. And the interest rate also is 1% per month. Yes. Thank you for listening. You can meet on the other side. You can WhatsApp me on 0731 283 699.